Today I'm going to show you how to freeze the coriander leaves so that you can use them whenever you want. First you need to wash them in a cold water and then use the kitchen towel to pat them dry so that it take out all the excess water. Just pat them dry. Okay, we are almost done. Now all you have to do is chop them finely or as you want. Now this is going to go into the airtight container and freeze it. I can freeze this for about more than 2 to 3 months. You can use it as and when you need it. Take any airtight container you have. Now transfer all the chopped coriander leaves into the airtight container. This is going to remain in your freezer as fresh as it is now for at least 2 to 3 months, or as long as you want it. That's it. It's going to go into my freezer and I will use it as and when I need it. In this curry, I have used my frozen coriander leaves. You can see they remain as they are, and they taste same exactly like the fresh coriander leaves. Now you don't need to go to buy coriander leaves from the markets every time. You just buy in few bunches, chop them and freeze them. Hope you will like my video. If you like it, do let me know. Thank you. Bye.